In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload large files to Google Drive faster. Uploading substantial files can often be a time-consuming and sometimes frustrating task, but with a few tweaks and know-how, you can expedite the process considerably. Now, let's dive in and make this task seem like a breeze. Firstly, open your preferred web browser, and in the search bar type in Google Drive. Typically, it's the first link you'll see, but to be sure you're heading to the right place, look for the URL that starts with https://drive.google.com. This is Google's official file storage interface where you can easily access and manage your data. Once you're there, you should log in. Often you'll find that your Google account credentials are already recognized, and you're automatically logged in, saving you a step. Before you begin the upload process, take a moment to prepare your files. Larger files can be challenging as they naturally require more time to upload. So one effective strategy is to organize them thoughtfully. You might consider splitting them into smaller folders, which not only makes them more manageable, but also might improve upload performance. If you want to go a step further, another handy technique is to compress your files into a zip folder. Not only does this reduce the overall size of your files, saving both upload time and storage space, but it also keeps your files neatly packaged. Next, let's talk about optimizing your internet connection for this task. An Ethernet, or wired connection, is almost always recommended over Wi-Fi, because wired connections typically provide more stability and faster data transfer rates. Additionally, temporarily halt any activities that hog bandwidth, such as streaming videos, online gaming, or other downloads, to free up as much speed as possible for your upload. Once your files are prepared and your internet is optimized, you're ready to begin the upload process. Head on over to Google Drive and click on the Plus New button. This handy button offers you the option to either upload a single file or an entire folder. Select whichever option suits your needs at the time. After navigating your system to locate the file or folder you wish to upload, click Open to start the upload process. You'll see progress indicators on the screen, letting you know how far along the upload is. Once the process begins, you can sit back and let Google Drive work its magic, knowing you've done all you can to ensure a swift and seamless experience. Following these steps not only speeds up your uploads, but also helps to keep your files organized and takes full advantage of your internet service's capabilities. I hope these tips help you manage your Google Drive uploads with much greater ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading.